sources of international law, right? Now that is the topic, sources of international law. Sources of international law. Now usually only one question comes, that I have already told you. There is only one question from this entire topic comes. Okay. Now remember, with regard to the sources of international law, that there are 5 major sources of international law, but those sources are basically illustrative in nature, meaning there can be sources which is not defined there, but still the sources can remain. Now, to understand the source of international law, one more thing that you must understand is that these sources are simply provided under the statute of your International Court of Justice, right? So it means कि like for example in our constitutional law we say na कि okay, Parliament will have right to make law and so, right? So same thing, the ICJ statute tells us that see कि there are these sources, but there can be other sources as well. Now where is that ICJ statute? So remember, ICJ, as I will teach also, there used to be a permanent court of international justice, right, before UN. But when UN came into picture, now under UN Charter, obviously all the 5 organs were made, Security Council so, and the new institution was made that was called International Court of Justice. But already we had a permanent Court of International Justice, PCIJ. So should we do away with it? So UN member thought that no. What they did, they simply said, okay, ICJ will be this, but the ICJ will be governed by a separate statute. ICJ will be governed by a separate statute, and they appended this into the UN Charter. तो जो ओरिजिनल PCIJ था, उसके स्टैट्यूट को लिया UN चार्टर जब UN बन रहा था, और उसको उन्होंने क्या किया, अपेंडिक्स में डाल दिया, और मेन डॉक्यूमेंट में सिर्फ क्या लिखा कि ICJ होगा, ये जजेज होंगे so and so, election will take place like so and so, but its actual working will be governed by this statute. इस स्टैट्यूट में कहा गया है कि what is the sources of international law. ठीक है, तो कैन वी से कि ये UN चार्टर में लिखा हुआ? द आंसर इज नो. इट इज रिटन इन द स्टैट्यूट ऑफ ICJ. और वो क्या है, नया नहीं बना था. क्या हुआ था, जो ओरिजिनल PCIJ जिस स्टैट्यूट से फंक्शन कर रहा था, उसी स्टैट्यूट को हमने क्या कर दिया, अपेंड UN चार्टर. समझ में आ गई बात? ये क्लियर है? अंडरस्टैंड?